Fresh dhania straight from your balcony, chemical-free and full of aroma. Start today and never buy coriander again. Do you buy coriander every week from the market? What if I told you that you can grow unlimited fresh coriander in your balcony?
Today I'll show you two simple methods, growing coriander in soil and growing it in water. And at the end I'll tell you which method is better.
Mix 50% coco peat and 50% vermicompost and add a handful of neem powder to keep away the bugs. Wet the soil well till the bottom and make lines on it for seeds. Use new seeds from a seed store or nursery and do not use the seeds at home, they won't germinate well. Always crush coriander seeds gently before sowing. Each seed ball contains 2 seeds inside. Splitting them increases germination and gives more plants. Sow the seeds in the lines made and sprinkle with a bit of coco peat and water. Spray water on it every morning, gently, so as not to disturb the seeds.
Coriander needs 4 to 5 hours of sunlight daily. Water lightly every day to keep soil moist.
Within 25-30 days, your coriander is ready to harvest. Cut the top leaves and let inner leaves grow again. During second harvest, uproot the plants from the soil. Now sow the seeds in the soil and expect continuous produce if you sow once every 15 days.
Never transplant coriander, it does not like root disturbance.
Now let's try growing coriander in water. Place crushed seeds on a moist tissue or net support above water level. Seeds will sprout in 4 to 6 days. Make sure the seeds are moist but not submerged fully in water.
In a time span of 1.5 months, it will be ready for harvest.
Coriander grown in water will sprout, but growth is usually slower and leaves are smaller. Nutrients are limited unless you add hydroponic nutrients.
So which method is better? For beginners and for bigger harvest, soil method is best. Water method is good for experiments or small indoor growing that yield is lower. Soil grown coriander is easy to maintain and has strong aroma and better taste. Fresh dhania straight from your balcony, chemical free and full of aroma.
Fresh dhania straight from your balcony, chemical-free and full of aroma. Start today and never buy coriander again.